Namibia's climate can be harsh, unpredictable, and at the same time absolutely stunning. If you understand how the seasons work, it's not a challenge, it's just part of the magic. So let's break it down: when to go, what to expect, and how to prepare for the trip of a lifetime. Hi, I'm Paolo, a professional wildlife and landscape photographer from Italy. I've traveled across Namibia more than 20 times during every season. From dry and dusty safaris to dramatic summer thunderstorms, I've experienced the full spectrum. So today I want to help you understand how Namibia climate works so that you can choose the perfect time for your adventure. If your dream is to see wildlife, especially elephants, lions, and rhinos, then the dry season is what you're after. From May to October, there is very little rain. That means that animals gather around waterholes, especially in places like the Etosha National Park. The grass is short, visibility is fantastic, and the roads are in their best conditions. A bit dusty, but perfect for long self-drives without any mud problem. The air is clear, the mornings and evenings are cool, and the days are kinda warm without being too hot. It's the classic African safari experience and the best time to spot wildlife in action. If you're a landscape lover or a photographer, don't overlook the green season. Between November and April, Namibia transforms. Sudden rains bring out wildflowers, the desert turns green, and the skies, well, they put on a real show. You will get thunderstorms rolling across the horizon, golden light after storms, and dramatic sunsets you will never forget. That's the perfect time to explore places like Sossusvlei, Damaraland, or the southern canyons if you are after cinematic visuals. And here's another bonus of the green season: you have fewer tourists, quieter camps, and often better prices. No matter when you visit, keep in mind, this is a desert country. Namibia is dry, often windy, and full of temperature swings. In the daytime, temperatures often reach 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, especially in the summer, but don't be fooled. Nights can be freezing, particularly in the desert or at altitude. That's why layering is key. Always bring a warm jacket, a wide brim hat, sunscreen, and sunglasses are not optional. They are essentials. Late winter and early spring, think August and September, are the windiest months. In places like the Skeleton Coast or Sossusvlei, that can mean sandstorm and challenging conditions. It's nothing you cannot handle, but here are a few tips. Use dry bags or covers to protect your camera gear. Always secure tents and equipment, especially rooftop tents. Drive slower in windy conditions for safety, and if you are traveling for several weeks, check and clean your air filters regularly. So let's quickly break down by season. May to October we have the dry season. It's best for safaris, game drives, and gravel road adventures. But the air gets very dry. Bring a good lip balm, moisturizer, and warm clothes for nighttime. And because it's most popular time, book very early. That includes vehicles, campsites, and lodges. November to April is the green season. It's great for bird watching, scenic drives, and more relaxed itineraries. Remember to carry rain gear, download offline maps, and be mindful of seasonal riverbeds. What locals call rivers, even if dry, can fill up fast. That said, fewer people on the road means you can travel at your own pace and sometimes find availability without planning months ahead. Now, no matter the season, Asco's vehicles are built for Namibia's extremes. High clearance, 4x4 reliable tents, dual batteries, they are designed for this. So every season in Namibia offers something special. There is no bad time to visit if you know what to expect. And when you travel with Asco, you are not just getting a vehicle, you are getting a partner who knows this land inside and out. Visit ascocarrier.com and start building your custom adventure, whatever the weather.